And I know that you do daily exercise, which is keeping you young and smart. Of course, you're not a stranger to Pakistan. You have been there many times. You have had your education over there. You know city of Karachi very well, Lahore and other places, Shalimar Garden. And your Urdu is, mashallah, still very vibrant. I have to learn a few words in Malay language so that at least I can tell my friends that he knows Urdu very well. And I've also started learning Malay language. And in that you can be my teacher as well. Leadership skills, your vision, and your dynamism. And I know that you do daily exercise, which is keeping you young and smart.